Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking Legacy. Today is Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. Okay, so apparently there was no Antarctic article this week. It's honestly surprising. So yeah, I'm currently now until 46, but I'm going to schedule it for 12:30 p.m. So yeah, that might be the Cooking Legacy. Bye guys.